the local car dealership wanted to have $120 for all of these three. So we bought them at AliExpress, and guess what? They also come originally from Audi in China. So we're gonna now change this to this. So the tools we use is some really strong fishing line, emblem remover. You need a interior tool to support us that really ensures that you not cut yourself into your fingers. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna tape it directly straight, that it's centered in the tape. We're gonna make sure that the new logo is exactly at the same place as the old one. So then we take our cutter tool, we rip in here, and we start cutting. Okay, so we cut off, you see here, the cutting stripes from the fishing line. Now we're gonna use our glue remover and put it everywhere where the glue is, and then we're gonna wait like for 5 to 10 minutes. So we made a second portion of the glue remover on it, and as you see here now, after we waited another 5 minutes, it really turns out to get more smooth. Again guys, this is some work that really took some efforts and patience. So when you do this, please plan some time. There are faster ways, like with a polishing rubber or something else. But again, then you risk to lose all this and you don't know where to place the logo anymore. That's why I'm doing it that way. So I make sure that everybody who watched the tutorial can do this at home. So after 5 rounds of glue remover, there's literally no glue anymore on it. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take some surface cleaner and clean the whole area. So you see, no glue anymore, surface is clean. We're gonna wait now for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna bring on our new badge. So the thing is, with these badges, you only have one shot. So you're gonna remove the paper, then we're gonna check that we hit the metal. And then we're gonna take a towel and give it a good push. On some cars, you may have a back piece that is attached to the side where the glue tape is, and a small piece of transparent paper that's actually help you to adjusting the piece. So what you do here is you're gonna remove the side of the glue tape, and then we're gonna check that we place it correctly. A bit more left, and that's it. Now we're gonna leave it like this. We again take our rack and give it a good push. Then we're gonna remove all our tape. And that's it. We changed our logo from silver to black. And now we changed this one, that one, and that one. Sometimes they're like little pins inside. You then have to unlock it with a tool like this. That's the only difference. So if you like what you see, leave me a like, leave me a comment. If you want a subscription, this channel got way more to offer than just tutorials. Yeah, and that's that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.